Akashwani Imphal Thokchari Paugi Saktam. Saktam asida Niyom lana thabak toromba MCS officer ani thabak tagi suspend tawkiba Myanmar dagi lanjen narakpasing masak khangdoknaba sarkar gi thorang Manipur police na yungang gi factory thugai kiba Imphal the Hero Tri-Nation International Friendly Football Tournament pangthokiba amasung Nupida Sakti hengathan bagi matangda aikhoy ukrul paumi sorting simrega National Commission for Women gi Advisory Board member Saso Saizaga unaba Mukhyamantri Ningthoukhongjam Birena Lujingba Sarkar asina Rajya gi karmachari singna senjathumja amadi aran awi sing tawbasing thingnaba paikhatliba thaurangi saruk ama oina suspend tawbagi thabak asi paikhalakpani Manipur Civil Service ki officer ani yauna punna karmachari taret lamgi matangda aran awi tawrambagi damak suspend tawkhare hiramasiga mari leinana irai numita paumi singa unaba amada Sri Birena hai MCS officer ani yauna karmachari taret suspend tawriba asi niyom nana lam yonba amasung Lamgi maming onthopugi thabak sing tawrambagi damakni Mukhyamantri na hai sarkari karmachari singna yariba makai wachat wanom tawbagi thabakta yaubiganu niyom chumna thabak tawduna rajya sibu chakhotnaba honaminasi Sri Birena hai sarkari karmachari singna senjathumja amadi atai aranba thabak sing tawramba thengnarabadi sarkarna tumina leithokloi adugumba karmachari sing adugi mathakta action lakhotkani Mukhyamantri na hai
bureaucrat officer mitpangbiro aikhogi sigi committee se koi leptuna thigani aduga nasana sana kanagumba tawbiruba aranba tawgiba leiragadi huji matam leiri legal action laptringai da nasana sana lana pata piruba lana mutation tawruba forest ki lamda pata piramba government ki lamda pata sajal lamba mi gi maming lawdagi inkolon tholamba khotomba kanagumba tawba yaurugadi huji matam leiri semtok piu athuba matam la aduga streamline tawbiro
Yumlo nariba Myanmar dagi rajya sida lanjen narakpa Myanmar macha singbu khangdoknaba amadi makhoibu detention center singda thamnabagi thaurang rajya sarkar akan mamongda paikhatli hiram asiga mari leinana rajya sarkar na semkiba Tribal Affairs and Hills Mantri Letpau Hakumna Luchingba Cabinet Subcommittee na rajya sida Myanmar ga lonariba zilla singda chattuna yengsinkre yengsin khongset asida Myanmar macha sing mafamadu da lei haibadu leiribra haina khangdoknaba amadi makhoibu thamnaba detention center sing khangdoknabani Committee asina chayola sida Sandel Jila gi Gampazol, Tengnopal Jila amasung Churachandpur Jila gi Singat Subdivision singda Education Mantri Thonawjam Basanta Kumar amasung Water Resources Mantri Awangbong Nyuma yauna chatki asiguba khongsat asiga mari leinana thangja numita Singat Subdivision de leiba miui singa unabada Sri Letpau Hokipna hai Sangjapam lawduna leiba miui singda Myanmar dagi lanjelakpa miui singbu masak khangdokpaga loinana detention center singda thamgani Makhoida chana thaknaba polam amadi haksel gi polam sing pigani makhoibu lanjelakpani haina khangnaba saktak che pigani mangna hai makhoini yariba makhai detention center dagi mapanda thoktuna koi chatpa yaroi Myanmar da tangdu leitarba matamda mafam asi thadoktuna soidana hankikadabani Sri Letpau Hokipna hai
This time we are helping you, not arresting you. Peoples of More peoples and Burmese peoples are of apprehension that they'll be arrested and put to jail. As a chairman of subcommittee, I assure you, you will not be arrested and put to jail, but we are providing you shelter and we are providing you fooding and everything help you. Capacity is we have barrack type quarter 4 numbers. So one house can minimum 50 to around 200 till the war is finished at Myanmar. So even a year, even 2 more, they have to come out voluntarily. Otherwise, if anybody found without any proper identity, they'll be caught and they'll be arrested and put to jail. Those people who come out voluntarily and stay in a shelter home, they'll be free. Their condition is good. It's not in a jail. They are put in detention center only. They are as good as they in their house.
Haukiba Nomaijing Numita, Thawal Jilagi Manungda, Yungang Sungpam Mapama Lerambadagi, Police na Tugai Kiba Adugi Matangda, Mukhyamantri na, Asigumba Nishagi Sungpam Leramba Asi Yamnamak Laibak Tibani Haina Fondo Kre, Wafam asi mahangna irai numita pangthokkiba pawi mifam amada phongdokkibani. Mukhyamantri na hai isagi kanaba khanduna miyoiba samaj ki mangnabu khotnaba miyoi singbu kaidongnungda lemna tharoi mangna hai sahi nauriba nupi macha sing yauna rajya asida drug sizinabagi chang hengalakliba asi thingnaba miyam punna honaminabagi tangai phadaba lai. Mama mapa oibasingna nisa sizinaba macha singbu lochinduna thambiganu siribire na hai.
Drugs my partner sangsili. People's Mayam civil societies, student organization, Mayamama support obi. Ado masi haragi hena kanna sangsan bamathok tari. Manamdi koina anti-drugs drive to bushida koina social media da karida thagat pada Mayam da yamna hurt to wadaba nungai roidaba angang masasing dupi masasing yauram bai koi drug charam bat hena da banate anga adu gumusing doi koi tongan koina moibu awareness piraga moibu rehabilitate tongna ba khona bai koina khona raga thamme adu masida koi mas oina na haina haijabudu lotion na da bi aigi sama dak chara haladi mapan pu thoka Jiki government na run over home lere, karmaina toroga kari dok chiki haba poshi thamma kanda mainstream da moi bu rehabilitate toroga halakna ba hona mina ba koi jointly mathuk dai.
Laibak ahumgi oiba Hero Tri Nation International Friendly Football Tournament Manipur mai pakna lusinkre tournament asigi matangda paudam ama.
All India Football Federation na Rajya Sarkar ga khutsam naduna mamang thagi kunithoi dagi kunipan fawba Khoman Lampak Main Stadium da laibak ahumgi oiba Hero International Tri Nation Football Tournament pangthoki. Ahauba numita Bharat amasung Myanmar ga sanakiba match aduda Bharat na panjal ama chanduna Myanmar bu thoiki. Ani suba match da sanakiba Myanmar amasung Kyrgyz Republic aduda panjal amamam chanaduna draw oiki. Aroiba match da sanakiba Bharat amasung Kyrgyz Republic aduda Bharat na panjal ani chanduna Kyrgyz Republic bu thoiki. Tournament asigi overall champion Bharat na oiki. Loisinba numita Rajyapal Anusha Uike amasung Mukhyamantri Nongthom Biren Singh saruk yaki. Loinana Mukhyamantri amadi AIFF ki President Kalyan Chaube na Rajya asida hangdokadoriba Football Academy asida AIFF na mating pangani haina yana cherol ama sahi taunaki. Football match adu yengnabagidama Khoman Lampak Main Stadium da miyam chona tinki. Akashvani Imphal gi pawi saktam gi dama Waikhom Chitradhani ga loinana Rajkumari Mangalsana.
Nupida Sakti Hengathan bagi matangda aikoi ukrul paumi sorting simrega National Commission for Women gi Advisory Board member Saso Saizaga unaba.
Indian Constitution na gender differences karishu khaidatan na yang rashu Manipur yaw na India gi mafam kaya the gender violence thoktaban nati. Comparatively aikoi ki state Manipur dati kharati phabakum ui. Oirachu gender violence ti thoktaban nati. Yam pikna leiripa ukruzila komba sitashu gender violence dia tum thoki happy. Oirachu ayambasi unreported case oi. Government nati nupi singi status uplift taunaba protection pinaba mateng pinaba amasung yaipanaba program kaya paikhatrashu nupi ayambasina siki khutong chabasi lawba ngamtatana leiripa kum ui. Ngashi ki program asida National Commission for Women NCW ki member oiramba huchik National Commission for Women ki advisory board member oina leiripa soso shaizabu unabata mahakna shumhai.
Mayambu Korumjari Nungshiraba Manipulki Nupi Mayam Amasung Nungshiraba Ipa Ibung Ibua Ichanuba Ishusing Mayambu Ehakna Khangjaba Kiktang Share Dojaningi India government na Karam Haina Nupi Shingda Thokatuna Awangba Takta Kakatuna Nupi Nupa Animak Kutshamnana India shi Chaukatnaba Taurang Mayam Paikatuna lay Tauram schemes Mayam Nupigi Oiba Shing Atudi. Number 1 the Beti Pachao Beti Parao 22nd January 2015 the Prime Minister Narendra Modi na launched the Wiki. The scheme aims to address issues of declining sex ratio over the past few years, create social awareness and enhance the efficiency and welfare services develop focused. Number 2, the working women hostel. Government ki natraga private tabak tauba nupi shingna leipam leidrabati leipam biba. Number 3, one-stop center. Center na Nilfaya Fund daki 100% state shingda finance dauriba program amani. District headquarter mayam da paikat libani. Nupibu kuthaba acid attack, rape amashung sexual harassment victims-singna one-stop center da report tawbiu, medical aids, liquor aids amashung counseling lawbi kani. 4. Women Helpline 181 provides immediate support to women nationwide. Number 5, Mahila E-Hat. Ministry of Women and Child Development na nupishingbu isha na puthokpa botching state land na yonnaba kidamak technology training piduna online da yonba ki khudong jaba biba. Number 6, Mahila Police Volunteers. Ministry of Women and Child Development ga Home Ministry na khut shamna laga women friendly oinaba police force da nupi yam hapchinba. Number 7, Swadagraha. Laibak thibada yaukraba nupisingda lemna leihanba amashung liquor assistance piba. Number 8, Mahila Shakti Kendra, MSK. Nupisingda kutsha hainaba training piba amashung digital literacy leihanba. 9, Ujawala. Prevention of trafficking and rescuing, rehabilitation victims of trafficking and commercial sexual exploitation. 10. Sukanya Samriti Yojana SSY Nupi Macha Kitamak Bank the Post Office the Saving Taubiba. 11. Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav Ningsingba Oina Mahila Saman Saving Certificate Schemes MSSC. It's a new scheme offer deposit facility of up to rupees 2 lakh in the name of girls, women for a tenure of 2 years and get 7.5% interest rate. 12. Pradhan Mantri Matru Vandana Yojana PMMVY Ahanba Angang Bokada First Child Miron Bada Piba. 13. Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana Nupi na Kutsha Heiba Shingda Laktara Pauba Loan Biba. Till date, 70% of the loan accounts have been sanctioned to women entrepreneurs. 14. Pradhan Mantri Ujawala Yojana PMUY Lemna gas connection nupi shingda piba. 31st January 2023 paubada 9 crores yen khibani. 15th Nari Shakti Puruskar. Jahi Kuting India President na nupi shingbu manayan ba. Ministry of Women and Child Development na shinduna outstanding women shingda bibani. Nupi kaktaki oiba scheme henna lady madamna leijataba nina kradi jithakre. Hanthokna government asina nupi shingna decision making da sharuk launaba local self government da 33% nupi bu reserve taubiba kitamak hujik state ayambada municipal panchayat jira barishat nupi mayam yauduna decision making step chauna laure. India ki president nupi na oihanba asi ekhoi nupi na chauthokningai ni. Rashtrapati Mahodaya Draupadi Murmu. Salute to you. Manipur ki governor Shu Nupi Honorable Anusuya Uge. Salute to you too. 12th Assembly Election 2022 da Nupi Manga 5 ladies namely Honorable Nemcha Kipken, Honorable Soraisam Kebi, Honorable S.S. Ollis, Honorable Kimneo Haukip Hangsing, Honorable Nalini Devi. Ekhoigi Honorable MLAs nupi mangabu honor amashung respect pipam thoi. We will continue salute and support them for they had opened the doors for women to participate in the highest decision making platform of our state. A Ukhrul district takine Hangmila Shaizana first elected lady MLA of Manipur Oiraka Magi Matungda Ukhrul district di nupi MLA puthokpa ngamdri. Laidik laishu haiba nupi am di leire. Adubu decision making the di hujik pauba yaw ba leidri. Hujik kangi laidik haiba nupi yam leirabani. Nupabu nupina henbakum leire. CBSE dashu, State Board dashu, dopers ashi nupi majana henbakum. India ki marak ngak nate. Aina aday country da Manipur macha especially nupi yam haiba smart oiba thengnai. Sports da Manipur gi nupi singna world ki top da shu yaure. Manipur macha singi chauthok ningai aday amashu reidi bani. Adudi Ima Market. Prithibida nupi ngakna phamba more than 5,000 women na phamliba market ni. 21st century ki icha nupi sing lairik hai hanse. Lairik laishu wangna tamse. The world is in your hand. Let us leave behind all the narrow and negative traditions, but move forward for better and peaceful tomorrow. Thank you.
Peaceful and progressive society shem she hairati equal contribution of both the sexes she maru oipa amani. Ishona nupi nupa wana shem basi respective contribution in the society shem na pani. Atukitamak equai mayam se law abiding citizen ama oina mutual gender respect labasi yam tarka lay. Shem na hairati sin a peaceful family amasung peaceful society ki foundation oi.
Matang asida Akashvani Imphal gi ipau kangbuno puthokpa chayol gi pau gi saktam loijare. Aiba Thokchom Jogendrajit puthokpa gin Gangte tengbangbi Jibanlata Sarangthem lijakhibi Ningthoukhongjam Suni.